Hello, hi, my name is Akmal Farhan. Now I will present you about the project 3D construction. The model from the 3D scanning that I use is the Opel Vectra sedan. The agenda for the project that I work is have a objective project, use of tools, processing of reconstruction, and result of reconstruction. The objective of project is to reconstruct the scan data into superior 3D surface model. Number 2 is to making sure the precise use of 3D scanning technology to record the surface geometry of the Opel Vectra construct parts. And the last is to know how surface quality can be assessed using tools like connect check analysis to determine surface specifications from the G0, G1, G2, and G3, and this analysis to make sure the label surface adhere to function and design requirements. For the list of tools, we are using the basic surface recognition, curve on mesh, multi-section surface, split, disassemble, join, point tools, power fit tools, distance analysis tools, connect check analysis tools, and many more. Now I will be explain you about the step of processing of construction that I've been using. First step, when you go for the shape, go for the quick surface construction, and then search for the curve on mesh tools. From the curve on mesh tool, I will do the door first to make the design about the wireframe. After I do the curve on mesh from the bottom to top of the door, I will use the split to connect with the other mesh the frame. Then I use the multi-section surface to create the surface. When I finish with the surface for the door, now I will use a curve on mesh tools early to create a frame for the door using the split and other tools. After that, lastly I will using the curve on mesh for the side mirror parts. For the side mirror parts, it's a bit difficult because they have so many hidden surface, so I create with a slow and patient. When I'm done with the using the multi-section for the 3 parts of wireframe that I apply with curve on mesh and multi-section surface. Now I will continue with the check analysis and the distance analysis. For the distance analysis, go for the shape and search for the freestyle tools and search for the distance analysis. From distance analysis, click the source for the multi-section from wherever the multi-section surface that I'm apply. Then for the target, I will use the 3D scanning data earlier for the project that I've been used. From the minimum, it shows that 0 and is 0 mm, and for the max value is 0.407 mm. We go for the connect check analysis. For the connect check analysis, we go for the insert and search for the analysis and go for the connect checker analysis. Then we apply, for me I will apply the section surface, the wireframe that near the side mirror. We will go for the surface, the top and the bottom of the multi-section surface. After that, check the G0, G1, G2 and G3. For the surface that I applied for the connect checker, it seems that it is not a class A surface, since the G1 have a reader, number reader, and the G2 also have the number reader. After I use the distance analysis and connect checker analysis, this is the result after the step that I use. For the distance analysis, minimum of 0.0 mm and the max is 0.407 mm. For the connect checker analysis surface, we can see that the connection between 1, 2, 3 and 4 is not the class A surface. How about the findings that we get is it shows different level of surface smoothness and continuity. For the suggestion for improvement is maybe I can improve the joint continuity where low values exist. Maybe you can verify also the G3 smoothness and adjust it if required, particularly for high quality surface finishing in automotive and design. If not, we can readjust the surface using trim, joint or healing tools. But at least we can use another analysis in CATIA to inspect the smoothness. To sum up, the use of reverse engineering technique to automotive component was effectively proven by the installation of Opel Vectra surface using 3D scanning data and CATIA modeling. Furthermore, now I understand how to create the surface design, even have a silly problem, but surely I can use the data as a guide to build some surface design. That's all from me. Thank you.